guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you saw that CoverGirl was sending out a huge PR package, and I was so lucky to receive one. So excited to receive it. It was really big. I mean, it was almost the size of me. I mean, I'm only 5'1", but you know, it was big. It was huge. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it was huge. And I was so excited to receive it. And I wanted to do a quick tutorial using some of the products. But of course, I was really busy over the weekend, so now I can finally sit down with you and film something cute and cool. I'm going to go ahead and use some of the products to go ahead and amp up my look a little bit. Kind of give me, I'm undecided what kind of look I'm going for. I have a couple of products that I took out of the kit to try to see what I will go. Usually I just go with the flow and I don't really have an exact look that I want to do, but I'll go ahead and go right in. So since I already did my base and everything, I'm going to go ahead and fill in these brows. So the first product I'm going to use is the CoverGirl, what is this? It's the CoverGirl pencil, and it's called Ultrafine. Oh, it's called Ultrafine Brow Pencil in the color Rich Brown, which is the darkest one that came in the kit. I love when kits come with the little brow brush because it does help a lot, because I like to brush my brows as I'm like styling them pretty much. So then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. I'm just going to double check and make sure this color would be dark enough for me. It looks like it'll be pretty dark, so let's go right in. I already put a little brow gel, but I'm going to go ahead and brush this down to expose my empty spaces. Oh yeah, this color is really good. It's not too dark. Sometimes I want to go for like a little bit of a lighter look. I really like the way this goes on. Yeah, it's cute. Yes, give me life over here. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. This product is pretty good. I usually only use and I love how strong the spoolie is, so it can really get into my brows. My brows really transform by the way they're brushed, so it's really good. Okay, so I just finished filling in my brows. The product is actually really nice. I really like it. Yes, brows. I mean, it just helped my look so much already. Like, yeah. It's really good, and everybody knows my brows are my favorite part of my face, so once I got my slaying brows, then, you know, I'm happy. I'm in a good mood now. I'm in like a super good mood right now. Oops, knocking over the table and everything. So then next I'm gonna go ahead and set a little bit of my eyelid, because everybody knows I have super oily lids, and if you don't know, now you know. So I just set it with a little bit of translucent powder, and they also provided a CoverGirl lid lock. And I'm happy that they provided this in the PR, because my eyes are like crazy, so I'm excited to see how it works with their shadows. Put a little on. I'm not gonna soak it up with the primer. I'm just gonna apply just, you know, a good amount. And with these shadows, I chose the Katy palette. They provided also one of these little eyeshadow applicators. I mean, I won't be using this in the tutorial because obviously I have advanced onto brushes, but when I was in high school, this this right here, okay, I used to be dipping and dabbing my let me tell you. I know everybody's done it before, so don't act like, I mean, now the girls are like way more advanced, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this brown shade. I always like to do somewhat of a brown shade all over, so. And honestly, I still don't know what look I'm going for yet. I think I'm just gonna go with like a super bronzy smoky eye, because you already know this bronze kitty in this middle is catching my attention, because I just cave in that easy to that bronze. It just makes me become a bronze goddess, and this is all about being who you want to be. And my makeup is gonna help me get to that point. And I wanna be a bronze goddess. So let me go ahead and be the bronze goddess that I know I can be. Okay. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this dark brown color. And I'm just gonna take it from here, right in my crease. Actually, the colors are blending relatively good together. This dark brown's payoff is not like, you know, a whole lot, but it's not bad either. And I'm doing a light look, so it doesn't have to be like super dark or anything. I'm gonna apply this goldish color right here, of course. I mean, that's just the way I roll. Ooh, okay. I think some dog is, I don't know, attacking a mailman. I don't know what's going on out there, but this color. And I think I like this color so much I want to amp it up a little bit. So I'm gonna take their setting spray. It's the it's the Look Lock Up All Day Setting Spray. I'm gonna spray this because I just want to amp up that look a little bit more. Oops, I'm gonna spray too much. And that's a trick. If you ever want like your shadows to be a little bit more, then just wet your brush a little bit. You see how it creates like a whole different ball game. So the color I'm using in the liquid liner is Liquid Liner 320. Okay, this liner, it's definitely black. So next I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some eyelashes, and then I'll put some mascara on. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some eyelashes. I think I'm going to go under my eye with a little bit of the eyeshadow colors that I was using, the darker brown a little bit. And let me go ahead and do that. And now that I think of it, I think I might use a little bit to line my lips. Oh. And I feel like with this look, red would really like pop. So I'm gonna go with these kind of like darker reds, which is these two. This one is the Katy Cat Gloss, and the color is Wine Feline. I mean, these are really cute. The packaging is super cute. I really like the packaging. Like, I love that it has like a little kitty. Like, that is super cute. And then the next one I'm gonna go with is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte All Nighter, which is this color right here. This is the matte, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over my lip with the matte first, and then maybe I'll put the gloss on top. Honestly, this color is really, really pretty. This is super pretty. I really like this combo. I might add a tiny bit more gloss, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my mascara. This mascara is the Peacock Flare mascara, and it's just the, I believe, just black. I know you guys seen the commercials of this. I always see so many commercials of this, so I'm excited to finally get to use it. But now let's go in and like really slay. And I want to go ahead and I'm just gonna spray my brush a little bit, just because I like it to be a little damp when I'm applying it, being that I just have some dry skin. So I just like to spray it with a little something. And then I'm gonna go in and apply this as my highlight. I always tap a little bit first because I don't know what it's gonna look like as highlight, so I don't want to take a chance. Okay, this color is so pretty. And last but not least, let's set my face with the CoverGirl Lock Up. It's a little tongue twister. Look Lock Up. Look Lock Up. All day setting this. So my look is complete. What do you guys think? I really like it. I mean, CoverGirl amped up this look literally. Like, I love everything on my face right now. Everything blends in so perfectly. I feel like I look like complete, like super complete. Definitely I would have to say my favorite products are definitely the brows and the lips. Like, I think the brows and the lips really set off this look, and that gold eyeshadow was on point too. So my least favorite product was definitely the liner, The liner was decent. Like, I mean, it's not bad. I've had worse, but I do feel like when I'm like brushing on this as a repeat, I just feel like, you know, I want like a smooth, sleek, like, That's the only thing I can say that I'm not really like too fond of, but everything else, I mean, CoverGirl, like, this is really good. I really enjoyed using these products. The packaging was super cute, especially, where is it? Where did I put it? This Katy lip gloss. It's literally so adorable. I think this is so cute. Pulling out your purse. People would probably ask, definitely. Like, I know my clients would be like, oh, what's that? Because it's so cute with the little kitty on top and everything like that. And, you know, Katy Perry, and it's always like the kitty cat this and the cat that. I think it's super cute. And I'm so excited that you guys watched this tutorial. And please, if you'd like to see more, subscribe below and let me know what you'd like to see. Bye, guys.